automatically your data was, unfortunately some person, X person was deleted into data. So that time you can activate this versioning option. Automatically the data was the data was duplicate data also available, like a recycle bin like that. Unfortunately, you open into your mobile, go into gallery. Unfortunately, some pic also deleted. So recycle bin option also available, right? So that data was available in recycle bin. At the same time, once you can activate this option, automatically your data was available. Okay. So this going this and going to these buckets. Now I want to open. Okay, now I want to open. So image is visible, right? Image is visible. See, is there any options visible? See, is there any options is visible? Download, type is JPG, last modified, and a size, and a standard storage classes. Only these options also visible, right? These options.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any options visible?
No, ma'am, no.
Not available, right? So now I want to go to properties option. Now I want to edit the versioning. So enabling, switch on the progress. Okay. Now I want to enabling the data. Save changes. Okay, the data was saved. So going to buckets, going to this bucket. Okay, this option is visible. Before it's not visible, now it's visible. Show versions. Now I want to delete this image. Okay, delete this image. So how to delete? This option is available, right? Delete. Just we can make it delete. That's it. Okay, delete option. Image is successfully deleted. Okay, image is not available, right? Not available. Once you can click this show versions, the image is available. See this? This is a original images. Okay, original images also available. Once I want to delete this image is moving on to this null path. Okay, and delete marker. Delete marker in the sense. So this image is permanent. This image is permanently deleted or not asking. So if you want to select these two images, if you want to delete now, permanently deleted. Okay, permanently delete. The option also available. See, see. If you want to delete now, see, option is permanently deleted. Once you can delete this option, again it's not visible this image. This is a permanently deleted this option. Okay, so going to back. Now I want to this delete option. See this delete. Again action delete. See this permanently deleted. Once we have to activate this permanently delete, this image was not available. So this file is available, right? This file is available in show versions, right? Now I want to back here. So now I want to remove this file also. Now I want to delete here. So delete this. Okay, delete this. See, going to show versions. The KT file also, delete marker file also available. Delete marker. See this delete marker. Before it's not visible, now it's visible. This is a delete marker. Okay. Now delete marker in the sense that the duplicate files. Okay. Modifying the date and version, everything is visible. Okay, everything is visible. Once you can go, this dashboard is empty. And at the same time, this is a one high pre-security like that. So some unfortunately third-party people also there into your projects. So that time some project lead instructed me, like configuration files and security files and credentials we can store into S3 bucket. Some reason you can go to that bucket and we can take the objects and we can take the files, like instructed me in a team member. So the team member was going and we can check the data is not visible. Okay, as per once we can check the show versions, automatically the data was visible. So again the dashboard is empty. The dashboard is empty. Okay, so that is a tricks, guys. You can learn the tricks also, because it's once you learn AWS and DevOps, we can manage all those things. Okay, we can manage all those things. And next we have to go to buckets. So going to this bucket. Okay, this bucket. Storage classes. This is the standard. Okay, standard means in your data was available in standard time, and whatever once we can add and delete purpose. Okay, so set up the time and all those things we can configure. Okay, now I want to go into properties. See, Going to objects, just go into this bucket is available, right? See this storage classes. So storage classes in the mainly we have to use the time and periods, everything. Suppose we have to standard, we can select the standard. Now they're designed for frequently accessed data more than once a month, milliseconds access. Availability zones is 3. Okay. Monitoring and auto tiering also available. See this intelligent training. Once we can add the intelligent training, data with the changes unknown access patterns. Okay, the data available. The data available in unlimited. Okay, just we can standard 1 year. Infrequently accessed data once a month with milliseconds and 30 days availability. Once whatever the data we have to activate it, whatever the data we have to upload it, the data available in 30 days and 40 days like that. We can select the storage classes, minimum storage duration. Okay, once we can store the some amount of data, the 30 days is validate of time, some amount of storage of the data, 90 days validity of time in a glacier disturbance period. So some unfortunately you forgot upload the data, whatever it. So we can activate this glacier now. If 90 days is completed, your data was automatically deleted. That's it. Okay, 180 days. Glacier depature. And once we can upload the data and you can forward. So that time also we can using in this glacier depature, automatically the data was deleted. And after completion of 180 days. Okay. This per GB was freeze and applies, everything option is available. Okay, so these are standard and intelligent training is unlimited of data. Okay, unlimited standardly. This is a like a recharge plans like that. Okay, recharge plans like that. Once I want to choose this standard one, Junior. Okay, now I want to select. Yeah, I want to select save changes. Okay, save changes. Status. We can check the status of bucket. This image, right? This image. See, standard 1 year. This data up to available in, see, region, last modified, and type, download, URL, Amazon resource tab. Please 1 second.